Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to put two videos in one screen in your CapCut. Right, so let me show you. So let's just go here. Okay, I will just make it smaller here. Now this is one of the video and I will select this video and put it here. Now this is the screen which you can see it, right? And okay, let me just drag it up and put it here in the middle. Okay, it's not adjusting. I don't know why. The reason could be something else. Okay, let's get back to the topic. Now here, this is another video. I want to put the same video overlay, right? So I can just select a video and drag it here, right? And this is it. I will crop this video to match this exact length here. As you can see here, the video is completely different. Now once I select here, you can see that a circle has came here. I can just put it like this, right? And right, I can just put it in the middle in the 50-50, and I can just play this video, right? Let me show you. So this is how I can do it, but this is something else. For example, this is a video. I can reduce the scale and I can put it here. For example, I can also do it from here and I can put it in the middle, right? And then I can just play this video, right? So in this way you can do it and it's really look nice. And this, it's completely up to you that how you want to make the adjustment and make the two videos on a single screen. You can adjust it, you can remove the background if you want, right? It's completely up to you. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.